At this time of year, one of my best sources of income is gutter cleaning. I'll make far more on that than anything else. So I was absolutely delighted when V-Tuf reached out to me and asked if they could send me one of their gutter vacs to review and show to you. Now, if it's something that you're in the market for, make sure you keep watching the video, because I've got a discount code coming up later on and it's a good one. So let's have a look what they've sent. This is as it's come. I haven't looked at it at all yet. I haven't opened it or anything. So you'll get my reaction to the first view of it. It's the V-Tuf GCX4000. It's 240 volt machine, wide bore system, 37 litres, so what you might call a domestic gutter vac, wet and dry, 5 metres of hose and high vis cable as well by the look of it. So we'll open it up and take a look at what we've got. So we'll look at the vac first. And we've got our normal blue sponge filter there. I'll pull that out. We've got an elbow there. A nozzle. Got a crevice nozzle. Brush for a bit of internal. And that looks like all of it. So, that's it. Pulls that off easy now. And also a Jubilee clip with your normal design. There's your hose there. Nice yellow bright hose. A single on-off switch there. You've got your metal side cyclonic inlet. And quite nice, you've got a little bung there, so if you're transporting it full of gunk that you haven't got rid of at the customers, you can wedge that in and stop it all from spilling. It's on 4 casters, small casters. You've got your inlets there. I saw on the box that it is a 1750 watt motor in it, so it's a little bit bigger, 50 watt bigger than a lot of the domestic gutter vacs. We'll open it up and see what we've got inside. So you've got good, sturdy, they look really nice actually, sturdy metal clamps there. You've got there your deflector plate. A lot don't have deflector plates on, so that's quite nice. So deflector plate fits in, so when it comes in through your inlet, it deflects it around the filter, so it misses the filter and drops it into the bottom of the bin. We've also got a pepper style filter on there with a normal screw thread on that. That's a really nice little gutter vac. It seems really well made. Just take that off, and then we've got a float valve there to stop it from sucking up too much water. So that's our gutter vac. Not really a lot more I can say about that. I do like the yellow cable. That's really nice. I've never found a gutter vac that the cable clip fits very well, and I tend to just Velcro strap them onto the handle. I find that seems to work better than trying to use that. But one of the things I really like is this. That is a really nice feature to stop it from hitting your filters, having that deflector plate. So let's have a look what else we got with it. We have our hose here. So we've got 5 metres there of hose, bright yellow, decent quality hose. We've got our normal full of that to get your hose to fit. All a bit tight at the moment because of the newness. So you literally, which is the same with all of them, fits in nice. So let's have a look at the poles they've sent. That back. And in here, a really nice set carbon fibre poles, all clamped. V-Tuf carbon fibre. They look really nice. Very nice pole there. We've also got a pole bag. V-Tuf pole bag, really nice. And that's got pockets on it for you to put all your fittings in. So the bag has actually got 2 pockets in. So to keep all your nozzles, your spares, anything Jubilee clips, anything you've got in. And you could use the other one for, say, your gooseneck and your suction release. You've also got this nice little feature here in your bag with these little rubber bands that will hold your poles in place in the bag. You've got enough for 8 poles in there. We've also got in here a carbon fibre gooseneck, and this has come with 1, 2, 3, 4 poles. So the poles look to me to be probably a 50mm diameter. We have here, that came in the box, their elbow. Now I find that the hose, when you got it in the bottom of a pole, it kinks a bit and it does wear a bit there. So by holding this elbow, it might just hold it up off the floor and turns it up a bit. A nice little feature of using this elbow is you've got your air cut off here. So if you've got something stuck on the end of your pole, rather than having to lower it all the way down, just twist the air cut off. That allows it to suck through there, so it's not sucking through the top of the pole, and that allows everything to drop down to the floor. So let's just go over again what we've got in the kit. We've got our 4 carbon fibre poles, our carbon fibre gooseneck, so a solid gooseneck, and we've got a nozzle which is a 135-degree nozzle. I think if I was buying this kit, I would probably ask for a few more nozzles. Maybe a better crevice nozzle than that one. It might be a bit more helpful, and maybe a long nozzle to get down gutters, but this will get you started. So those are really nice poles though, and as I said, they're all clamped. We've got our 5 metres of high-vis hose and gutter vac with side cyclonic inlet. Really nice, really well made. 1750 watt motor, single start button, just top quality. It looks, you know, out of all the vacs I've seen, on par with all of them. It looks like a really good vac. Now, I said at the start of the video that I'd got a discount code. So if you use my code, which is squeaky clean 10, I'll put that in the description below, then you'll get 10% off the gutter vac and kit. This code is actually over the whole of the V-Tuf website, so anything that you want from V-Tuf, you'll get that 10% discount on. As I said, a lovely setup. If you've got a small van and not a lot of room, this is a great vac. I used the vac this size for years before I started using my big vacs. I've got a much bigger van to use it in. If you're just thinking of adding an extra service to your business, great little vac to start with. You can use it as a window cleaner or roof cleaning. You can empty your gutters with, or just start up a business gutter vacuuming. As I said, I'm picking up most of my work doing gutter vacuuming at the moment. So a lovely set of kit. Thank you for V-Tuf for sending me this. If you want to see how I'll get on with it, keep watching my videos. In a few weeks' time, I've taken this out and actually tested it, so I'll be able to give you a genuine review of what I think this is like. But yeah, lovely machine. Definitely definitely a good buy if you did think about getting one. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, make sure you hit the like button, share it with any of your friends that may be looking for a gutter vac. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. As I said, I'll be reviewing this soon. I've got loads of videos coming out actually. I've been a bit quiet last year because I've been so busy, but this year I've got loads planned. So yeah, and take a look at V-Tuf's catalogue. They've got loads of stuff. And have a look at all the other stuff. They do bigger vacs than this as well, and they do longer pole sets. So if there's something different that you want, have a look at their catalogue, give them a shout, and yeah, give it a go, see how you get on. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.